Can you turn it down a little bit? Can you turn it down a little bit? It's on Jax's cage. It's on Jax's. Yu Cheng Tech is a modern electronic technology store specializes in selling industrial and technological products. We insist on customers first. Always put the customer's interest on the first place. You can tell it's definitely not American people writing this. Constantly develop new products and provide customers with better products and services. Wow, it's really banged up. You can tell it's probably come a long way to get here. And the box that it sits in is banged up pretty good. Yep, this is my man cave. FBM over here in the corner. All the different pictures, of course. There. And then all the Freedom Seed and weaponry is locked up in a keypadded double reinforced threshold. That's heavy. I wish I never worked on another Kia a day in my life. Yeah, any additive on a 2018 F-150 is going to be better than no additive. I like synthetic marble mystery oil. But of course I am a little biased to it because I helped bring it to the market. And it really works. Okay. What's up, new image? So I didn't get just a regular bearing tester. Marvel Mystery Oil. Here's all the bearings. Hey, oh, you cool cat! What is this? What's that? What's that guy's name? Here's the pivot arms. Tiger King, yeah. Here's the bearing holder right here with the bearing in it already for us. Here's a race. And the fluid cups for the oil to go in. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, if you're not trying to be on here, go ahead. Push it, babe.
That's the machine.
Mm-hmm. Says lubrication and wear testing machine.
After we're done eating, we're gonna run warm up.
For?
Birthday present for my dad.
Huh?
Birthday present for my dad.
Okay, I'll go too then.
Like half an hour?
Yeah. Okay.
Got to go out?
Yeah, whatever. As long as the TV's not loud, we're good. Lubricating oil to the oil box and install lubricating oil box in long short levers. Start the motor and run it first, and then at the intervals such as 5 seconds, add weights to the end of the long lever one by one. Each weight, family car, is equivalent to the friction pair bearing 100 kilograms of pressure. For a truck such as a stair, add a weight to the friction pair to carry 2 tons. Record the number of weights and watch the change of the ammeter. The pointer increases, which proves that the power consumption increases, and the power consumption is fuel consumption. The noise gradually increases, continuing to add weights about 3 or 4 pieces until the grinding wheel stops rotating, the machine locks, and the power is turned off quickly. Remove the weight and the short lever to observe the depth of the wear scar, the area of the wear scar, and the roughness of the wear scar of the cylindrical grinding block. Change the angle of the steel ball and install the lever. Grind the sleeve again. Because of the previous experiment has worn the sleeve, so it needs to be smoothed. Add our anti-wear lubricants to the oil box. Add weights to the end of the long lever, but one by one. 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks, and this is how you can definitely test how well oil is lubricating. It's got Chinese newspaper in the bottom of it. Well, this ain't good. It's got a big old crack in the plastic right here, but it's not cracked through the main wires. Wow. Okay, it's powered up. That's pretty cool. Let me guess, these magnets. Oh, it goes like that. The cup just kind of magnetizes right there. Let me see if I can. That's pretty cool. And then this goes here. Come on. Fingers, work with me here. this. Goes there. And then I know this plugs in. Also, they give you a new wear race. Oh, you gotta supply your own 9-volt battery. I don't know where this. How does that even hook up? Start the motor. Polish the shaft sleeve with a whetstone dipped in ordinary lubricating oil. Press the whetstone evenly with your thumb during polishing. Clean the shaft sleeve after polishing and turn off the motor. The purpose of polishing is to eliminate the influence of original oil film or nano film on the experimental results. So basically, what they're saying is just use a freaking some brake clean and make sure it's clean. Fix the steel ball and a short lever in the groove in the testing machine. Add ordinary lubricating oil to the oil box and install the lubricating oil box and long and short levers. Start the motor and run it first. Then at intervals such as 5 seconds, add weights to the end of the long lever one by one. Each weight, family car, is equivalent to the friction pair bearing 100 kilograms of pressure. For trucks such as Steyr, add a weight to the friction pair to carry 2 tons of pressure. Record the number of weights and watch the change of the ammeter pointer. The pointer increases, which proves that the power consumption increases, and power consumption is fuel consumption. The noise gradually increases. Continue adding weights, about 3 or 4 pieces, until the grinding wheel stops rotating. The machine locks. The power is turned off quickly. Remove the weight and short lever to observe the depth of the wear scar in the area, the wear scar, and the roughness of the wear scar of the cylindrical grinding block. The formula for calculating test force at the end of the lever is 0.6 weight of each weight times 1 number of weights times 14 leverage ratio equals kilograms, or 0.6 newtons. Change the angle of the steel ball. Install the lever, grind sleeve again. Add our anti-wear lubricants and weights for blocks. Blah, blah, blah. Voltage, carry consumption. I have to try to figure out how to hook up this. I think this is a temperature. I think you use this end of this probe right here and it goes in something to detect temperature. You got a 9-volt battery?
Can you grab my stuff?
What's going on for Papa's birthday?
After my session tomorrow, I'm gonna go over there for Sloppy Joe's and birthday cake.
You are?
We
Oh, we are. Because I was going to say, I wasn't told about this.
are.
If you're going, then I'm invited.
Just one?
Sucker.
I'm gonna see if Brian can come in early.
Thank you. Yeah, it's temperature in Celsius. Because I touch the end of this and it starts moving. So I could keep this mounted to the side of it. I don't know where you guys want to be. I could keep it mounted to the side of it right here. Oh yeah, that's sensitive. Yep. Look. I don't know what 32 degrees Celsius is. Mom gave me a time limit. Hey, can you give me some napkins? Okay. I don't know what these stones are for. What do these stones do? Do you use this to clean up your wheel? I don't know what those are for. I'm reading it. That's what I've been reading. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Just put it right here. You didn't have to bring me the whole thing, but okay. Why is it so cold in here?
I don't know. You have the fan on.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Good. Great observation. It's like super cold. All right. I'm going to try to figure this out. I'm going to take this probe. So what do? You guys, you're saying you take this stone and you use it to polish your bearing as you wear it down? Is that what you're saying? Is that stone is used to smooth out the main bearing that you're using to test? I'm thinking about this machine. I'm just not thinking clearly right now. Hmm. Okay, I see what you mean. I see. So right now, I should be able to turn this thing on the way I have it set up. Everything's set up just the way it is. I should be able to, just the way it is right now. I should be able to turn it on. It made a slight, itsy bitty, teeny weeny, just barely made a. No, I'm not. No, I'm good. We running it, baby. We gonna run it. Gonna run it the way it is. All right. This is where we're at. We got 2.57 amps and 112.5 volts. Let's try some Valvoline extended protection first. Yeah, it's made by that company. This is the Max Life high mileage. The good stuff. The one with a ton of moly and stuff in it. Here we go. All right, let's try it out. It says put one weight on it. Okay. Went from 260 to 265, 264, 265. Let's put 2 weights on it. Two weights, went to 270. 271. 3 weights. 276. 275. 276. 4 weights. $280. Let's stop at 4 weights for now. Just stop right here at 4 weights. And we'll go 5. You're gonna go 285. As that oil is warming up, it seems to be lubricating better. 2.8 amps. Okay, we stopped at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, it stopped. It says that's what it's supposed to do. So it worked. It did what it was supposed to do. Let's get a temperature reading real quick. Temperature is 33.2. 33.2 is what the temperature got up to. Let me take this little cup of oil here. Take our you see we have a little itty bitty tiny wear mark right in the middle of this. Almost nothing at all. Itty bitty tiny thing. That's some good oil. Let's try one more before we get off of here tonight. They said you can loosen the bearing, spin it, and go to another spot. I'm not going to use this as any kind of conclusive testing or whatever, just so you guys can see it's a fresh spot. Do you agree? You see that I've moved it and it's not the same location anymore? Wipe this off. Well, actually, you know what? I'll spin this bearing inside this, get as much of this off as possible. Wipe the inside of this off. Yeah, I have a scale out there in the garage that once we get into the deep testing, that's what I'm gonna do. I was just gonna show you guys just some of this real quick, just as a demonstration, so you guys know and can see that I got the machine. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put some Pro Lube in here, but we're gonna do the Pro Lube the way it says to do it. 1 ounce per every quart, not straight. So we're just gonna put a little dash inside a cup, mix it up a little bit. Okay, there we go. Nice and cleaned out. And we're going to take this. We're going to use the same oil. All right. Same oil. Huh? Yeah, I'm almost done. Nothing changed. Wait a second. Nothing changed. Come on now. Okay, let's start adding to it. Wait a second, look at that. It didn't shut down. It's still going with the Pro Lube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 7. There's 8. There's 9. That's crazy. There's 10. 10 bearings right there. Or 10 weights. Let's go one more. That's all that I have that came with the kit. It's about to shut down. It shut down at 3.41 amps. And it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 weights before it shut down. With the ProLube added, we were able to double what we could put on there. The wear scar with the ProLube is deeper, but it kept going longer. It's pretty big before it shut down. So you can tell the ProLube works. And it's hot too, that oil. That oil got up to 57.6 degrees Celsius. So, I don't know. We try to duplicate our test again tomorrow. That was pretty interesting. I'm just telling you right now. Just adding a smit, like, I don't know. I went overboard on the ProLube. I probably went like a full ounce, maybe not a full ounce, maybe like a half an ounce to that 1 cup, when I should have just went like a little dropper. But it worked. Maybe we should actually figure it out. Maybe I should take a quart of this oil, put an ounce of ProLube in it, and then use that in a controlled fashion to come back and reduplicate this test. I think that would be a way to do it, because that's how they say it's supposed to be mixed. What do you guys think? Is that how we should do it? Because we'll do it that way. What do you mean Project Farm ? What's that supposed to mean?
I thought the deal was we don't interfere in each other's business. Yeah, that was very good in the dark all last year. You retired too soon, chose the wrong successor.
Okay.
Then came back and got rid of him. Like a hero.
Hey, but you know what? The ProLube, it did make it go longer.
What?
Anyhow, I'm not getting out of here. I just wanted to show you guys the setup. Y'all have a great night. I will catch you tomorrow. Thanks for being here. That machine costs $1,000. Expensive. Be blessed.